by Zachary McGavro. One little puppy all alone calls two little puppies on the phone. Three little puppies want to play. Four little puppies eat each day. Five little puppies take a nap, I say. Six little puppies play each way. Seven little puppies play. Yes, they can. Eight little puppies grow like a boy to a man. 9 little puppies howl at the moon, and 10 little puppies want to go to bed soon.